Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson Tools and Services for AWS Migration. Migrating to Amazon Web Services involves leveraging a variety of tools and services designed to ensure a smooth transition and integration process. AWS offers a comprehensive suite of migration tools that cater to different stages and types of migrations. These tools streamline the migration process, minimize downtime, and ensure data integrity. This lesson explores the key tools and services for AWS migration, providing detailed insights into their functionalities and real-world applications. AWS Migration Hub serves as a centralized platform to track the progress of application migrations across different AWS and partner solutions. It offers a unified view, allowing users to monitor the status of various migration tasks in one place. This centralized tracking is crucial for large-scale migrations involving multiple applications and services. For example, a multinational corporation migrating its entire IT infrastructure to AWS can use Migration Hub to gain visibility into the migration status of each component, ensuring that all tasks are on track and any issues are promptly addressed. AWS Application Discovery Service plays a vital role in the initial phase of migration. It helps in understanding the current on-premises data center environment by collecting detailed information about the applications, their dependencies, and performance profiles. This data is invaluable for planning the migration strategy. By utilizing Application Discovery Service, organizations can identify interdependencies between applications, which is critical for sequencing the migration steps to avoid disruptions. For instance, a financial services firm can use this service to map out the relationships between its customer data management system and its transaction processing applications, ensuring that both are migrated in a coordinated manner. AWS Server Migration Service simplifies the process of migrating on-premises servers to AWS. It automates the migration of virtual and physical servers to Amazon EC2. By using AWS SMS, organizations can reduce the complexity of server migrations and minimize downtime. This service is particularly beneficial for businesses with a large number of servers, as it supports automated, scheduled, and repeatable migration tasks. An example of its application is an e-commerce company migrating its web servers to AWS. By using AWS SMS, the company can automate the replication of its servers to AWS, ensuring a seamless transition with minimal impact on its online store operations. AWS Database Migration Service is designed to facilitate the migration of databases to AWS with minimal downtime. It supports a wide range of database engines, including Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. AWS DMS ensures that the source database remains operational during the migration, which is essential for businesses that cannot afford significant downtime. Moreover, it supports both homogeneous migrations and heterogeneous migrations. For example, a healthcare provider can use AWS DMS to migrate its patient records database from an on-premises Oracle database to Amazon Aurora, ensuring continuous access to critical data throughout the migration process. AWS DataSync is a data transfer service that simplifies and automates the process of moving data between on-premises storage and AWS storage services, such as Amazon S3, Amazon EFS, and Amazon FSx. DataSync is particularly useful for migrating large datasets, as it can transfer data at speeds up to 10 times faster than open-source tools. This service also supports encryption and data validation, ensuring the integrity and security of the data being transferred. For instance, a media company with terabytes of video content can use AWS DataSync to transfer its archives to Amazon S3, leveraging the high transfer speeds and built-in security features to efficiently migrate its data. AWS Snowball is a data transport solution that uses secure physical devices to transfer large amounts of data into and out of AWS. It is designed for scenarios where network bandwidth is limited, or transferring data over the network would be too time-consuming. AWS Snowball devices are rugged, tamper-evident, and capable of transferring petabytes of data. This service is ideal for industries such as film production and genomics, where large datasets are common. An example is a research institution that needs to transfer several petabytes of genomic data to AWS for analysis. By using AWS Snowball, the institution can physically ship the data to AWS, avoiding the challenges of transferring such a large volume of data over the internet. AWS Transfer Family supports the transfer of files directly into and out of Amazon S3 or Amazon EFS using the Secure File Transfer Protocol, File Transfer Protocol over SSL, and File Transfer Protocol. This service is essential for organizations that rely on traditional file transfer protocols for their workflows. AWS Transfer Family enables these organizations to migrate their file transfer workloads to AWS without having to modify their existing processes. For instance, a logistics company can use AWS Transfer Family to maintain its existing SFTP-based file exchange system while storing the files in Amazon S3, leveraging the scalability and durability of AWS storage. As organizations consider migrating to AWS, it is crucial to conduct a thorough assessment of their current infrastructure and applications. This assessment helps in identifying the right migration strategy and the appropriate AWS tools and services to use. One approach is the 6 R's of migration: rehosting, replatforming, repurchasing, refactoring, retiring, and retaining. Each of these strategies requires different tools and considerations. For example, rehosting, often referred to as lift and shift, involves moving applications without changes and can be efficiently executed using AWS SMS. In contrast, refactoring, which involves re-architecting applications to leverage AWS native services, may require a combination of AWS DMS, AWS Lambda, and other services to achieve the desired outcomes. It's also important to consider the financial implications of migration. AWS provides tools like the AWS Pricing Calculator and the AWS Total Cost of Ownership Calculator to help organizations estimate the costs associated with running their workloads on AWS compared to on-premises or other cloud environments. These tools can inform budgeting and financial planning, ensuring that the migration is cost-effective. For instance, a manufacturing company can use the AWS TCO calculator to compare the costs of running its enterprise resource planning system on-premises versus on AWS, taking into account factors like infrastructure, maintenance, and operational costs. Security and compliance are paramount during migration. AWS offers a range of services to ensure that data is protected and compliance requirements are met. AWS Identity and Access Management provides granular control over user permissions, ensuring that only authorized personnel have access to sensitive data. AWS Key Management Service enables the encryption of data at rest and in transit, providing an additional layer of security. Furthermore, AWS Compliance Center offers resources and documentation to help organizations meet regulatory requirements. For example, a financial institution migrating to AWS can leverage these services to maintain compliance with regulations such as GDPR and PCI DSS, ensuring that customer data is protected throughout the migration process. In conclusion, migrating to AWS involves a comprehensive suite of tools and services designed to address various aspects of the migration process, from initial assessment to data transfer and ongoing management. By leveraging these tools, organizations can achieve a smooth and efficient migration, minimizing downtime and ensuring data integrity. The integration of AWS Migration Hub, AWS Application Discovery Service, AWS Server Migration Service, AWS Database Migration Service, AWS Data Sync, AWS Snowball, and AWS Transfer Family provides a robust framework for managing different types of migrations. Additionally, considering factors such as migration strategy, cost, security, and compliance is crucial for a successful transition to the AWS cloud. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.